Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Prachi Creation. Today we are going to learn DIY greeting card for New Year 2021. So let's get started. For this we will need A4 size paper, red and pink color. Now fold it as shown. Now stick the pink color paper on the red paper. Now take a red color paper that measures 5 by 5 cm and draw a heart shape and cut it. Now make total 4 hearts and stick on the paper one by one. Now cut the excess pink paper as shown. Now take pink color paper and fold it in 4 parts. Now take red color 5 strips that measures 19 by 6.5 centimeter. Now stick the all 5 strips on the pink paper. Now take 4 strips of white color paper that measures 18 by 5.5 centimeter and stick it on the red strips. Now take a color print of a Happy New Year 2021 and cut the letters. Now stick the letters on the white strips. Now fold it as shown and stick to it on our heart card. Now stick the number 2021 on the heart. Now take a black marker pen and make lines as shown. Make the lines dark. Now take a red color bow and stick on the top of a greeting card with the help of a Fevy Bond. Now I am sticking a stone in the middle of the bow. Now take a printed paper that measures 20 by 6.3 centimeter and stick to the our card. To decorate the greeting card more, I am sticking the red stones. And our beautiful greeting card Happy New Year is ready. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.